children, how are you all? Hope all of you are fine, enjoying also, doing well. I am here with the poem of chapter 3. The name of the poem is The Quarrel. Chapter 3, the poem is Quarrel, right? The writer is Eleanor Farjeon. Writer Eleanor Farjeon, right? You know, it's very common to fight brother and sister. They fight with each other without any reason. Okay, it's very common to fight with each other. It's very common to fight brothers and sisters at home. And in this poem, the narrator, she described the incident when she fighted with her brother. The poem, The Quarrel, is about the quarrel between the siblings. The poet talks about the love hidden behind the quarreling of the siblings. They fight with each other, but they cannot live without each other. In the poem, the poet speaks about the quarrel between him and her brother, right? So, this is the poem, and we will come to know, first we will come to know some hard words and then we will go through the poem, right? Quarreled, fell out, fighted or argued, you can say. The meaning of quarreled is fell out, or you can say fighted, or you can say argued, right? This is past tense, quarreled. Present tense is quarrel, ed will not come, right? So, according to that past tense, fell, fall in place of fall out, fell out, fighted and argued, right? Slight, pretty, beautiful, thumped, patted, right? Come along to accompany, साथ देना, कहते हैं ना साथ देना, किसी के साथ बैठना, किसी के साथ बातें करना, साथ देना. Turn black, became very unpleasant or sad, दुखी हो जाना और गुस्से से और लड़ाई के बाद मुंह थोड़ा पेल हो जाना, ठीक है, डल लुक हो जाना. So, I'll read out the poem now. It is common for brothers and sisters to quarrel, although sometimes they may not even be able to say why they quarrel. But how long do such quarrels last? How do they end? बच्चे घर पे लड़ाई करते, भाई बहन लड़ाई करते, they do not know the reason behind, right? Sometimes they start fighting and it doesn't last for a longer time. They cannot be separated for a long time. एक दूसरे के साथ झगड़ के लड़ के ज़्यादा देर तक रह नहीं सकते, फिर वो लोग फिर बात करना शुरू कर देते हैं. I quarreled with my brother, I don't know what about. One thing led to another and somehow we fell out. The start of it was slight, the end of it was strong. He said he was right. I knew he was wrong. So, भाई बहन जो नैरेटर है वो क्या कहती है कि हमें पता ही नहीं था क्या रीज़न है, फाइट शुरू कर दी एंड बहुत छोटा सा बहुत मामूली सी चीज़ लेके हम लड़े और हमें पता ही नहीं था ये क्या है, बट बाद में बहुत गंभीर रूप ले लिया, बहुत स्ट्रॉन्ग फाइटिंग शुरू हो गया. आप लोग करते हो ना कि बाल नोच ले तो एक दूसरे का, है ना, पुलिंग आईज, पुलिंग हेयर्स करते हो ना कई बार. and then he said he was right, I knew he was wrong. तो फिर बाद में बताते हैं मैं I was right, you were wrong, you were wrong, I was right, like this way, I am right, you were wrong. So this way they started fighting and it lasted till evening. शाम तक ये लड़ाई के जो असर था, दोनों लड़ाई किए, बात नहीं करना, both of them didn't talk till evening. We hated one another. The afternoon turned black. Then suddenly my brother thumped me on the back and said, "Oh, come along. We can't go on all night." I was in the wrong, so he was in the right. So एक दूसरे को नापसंद करने लगे, बात भी नहीं किए शाम तक. फिर शाम जब ढलने लगे, जब टर्न ब्लैक मतलब जब शाम होने लगे, तो क्या हुआ, देन सडनली माई ब्रदर थम्ड, तो भैया के मेरे पीठ पे, तो ब्रदर थॉट कि चलो इतना लड़ाई तो मैं ही कुछ कंप्रोमाइज़ कर लेता हूँ, मैं ही कुछ समझौता कर लेता हूँ. तो ब्रदर केम टू द सिस्टर एंड पैटेड ऑन हर शोल्डर्स, ऑन हर बैक एंड सेड चलो बहुत हो गया, नाउ विल पैच अप, हम लोग अभी फ्रेंडशिप कर लेते हैं, हम लोग फिर से फ्रेंड्स बन जाते हैं. ठीक है, हमें जो लड़ाई झगड़ा हुआ है, वी फाइट इट इनफ, नाउ वी वांट टू बिकम फ्रेंड्स अगेन. हम ऐसे बहुत देर तक लड़ाई करके रह नहीं सकते, तो अभी हमें फिर से दोस्त, एक दूसरे के फ्रेंड्स बन जाना चाहिए. सो वन डे द सिस्टर quarreled with her brother. The reasons was very pretty, but they shouted at each other. The quarrel was mild at first, but it became a strong in the end. Both claimed that they were right. So once again you just remember the points कि शुरू में वो बहुत हल्का सा था, बाद में बहुत स्ट्रॉन्ग हो गया, एंड देन एक दूसरे क्लेम कर, एक दूसरे का जो दोष है वो छुपाने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं और क्लेम कर रहे हैं आई वॉज राइट एंड यू वर रॉन्ग. दिस वे दे बिगन टू हेट ईच अदर, दे डिड नॉट टॉक टू ईच अदर टिल इवनिंग. देन सडनली द ब्रदर रियलाइज्ड हिज मिस्टेक. ही डिसाइडेड टू मेक अप विथ द नैरेटर. Narrator means his sister. He walked up to her and patted on her back. He suggested that they should patch up, become friends again. Patch up, become or became friends again. He admitted that he was at fault. The narrator also forgot and forgave him. So एक दूसरे को फिर से उन्होंने क्या किया, सोचा, भाई ने जो एक्सेप्ट कर लिया, हाँ मैं ही दोषी हूँ, मेरा ही फॉल्ट था, चलो अभी हम लोग बहुत हो गया, बहुत देर तक हम बिना बात किए रह रहे, नाउ विल पैच अप, विल बिकम फ्रेंड्स अगेन. सो दिस वे द डिस्क्रिप्शन इज देयर इन द पोम. होप यू understood and enjoyed also. Now what you have to do, see this is in our real life also. One message is there कि ठीक है, if we are fighting it's okay, if we fight with our brothers and sisters, with siblings, right, siblings, it's okay, no problem, but thing is that again we have to patch up, again we have to reunion. ठीक है, बहुत देर तक नहीं रहना चाहिए, होते ही रहते हैं, we fight, it's okay, but afterwards we have to be reunited. ठीक है, okay, so this much only. Thank you, take care, bye.